Tell him. Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
Go and throw around this thing, but he's gonna have that anyway.
Yeah. What is it?
He's a bit scared.
Oh, is she pushing it towards him?
Oh,
What is that?
I swear to God, these dogs have like the wildest parties out here ever. We got one on the table. Looks like he had about 250 too many. And then we got one in the chair. Oh, Jesus, puppies.
Hang out. Come on. Yes.
You have to stop relocating the wee-wee pad. It confuses the other dogs, and I don't want to look at that in the living room.
Looking for my home, that's you. And I don't know what it is that I could try to do. And I know it hurts you too. But on the other side, the water is blue. But I don't know how to start again, and I don't think I could just be friends with you and just pretend with you. Can I come closer and hold your hand? I promise that I'll make you understand, yeah, and you'll understand. So come a little closer now.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
Fuck, is that right?
Guys, let me put you on something. And I know it has puppy patties. Oatmeal. You want puppy patty? It's just a meat patty with no salt, but what am I going to do? Say no? Can I get a number 2 with grilled onions, no tomato, and fries well done? And then can I also get a puppy patty?
Okay, this one. And honey patty and salt, and fry well done, and then I go.
Yes. Thank you. He said thank you. It's only 95 cents. What a steal. And it comes wrapped just like a little burger. Love it.